Hello friends. In this video, I'm going to teach you how to work with OK Broker and OQtima. At the top, by clicking on your profile, you have access to two options, Profile and Logout. By clicking on the Logout option, you will log out of your account, and by clicking on the Profile option, you will log into your account. In this section, you will see your personal information, and you can change the language of your account by clicking in this section. And also in the password and email section, you can enable Toast Authenticator for your account by clicking on this option, and you can click on this option too to minimize the information. In this section, you can see that our account has been verified, and we have prepared a guide for you to verify your OQtima account. Let's go back to the board. In the Messages section, you have access to the Message Center, which is divided into Inbox and Archive categories. And you can divide the settings into Inverse, Mark Read, Mark Unread, and Archive. And by clicking on this option, you can view the unread messages. In this section, you can search for specific messages and adjust the settings based on subject, sender, and date. And after interacting with the website, this section will be displayed for you. By clicking on the flag option, you can change your account language. And at the bottom of the page, to open a new account, you can click on Open New Account and select your desired account, such as Demo or Real, along with the platform and account type. In this section, you enter the desired amount, plus the width and leverage. Finally, click on Create an Account. And as you can see, your account has been added to our account. In this section, you can change the status of this section, as you can see, and change the settings from the force. You can categorize them into newest and oldest. In this section, by clicking, you can set up the settings in the categories of Order Report, change max leverage, and change TA password. By clicking on the Deposit option, you will enter the Deposit section. And we will soon create a video tutorial about deposits for you. To get in touch with OK and OQtima support, click on this option. You choose your preferred method of communication. For example, WhatsApp, Viber, or others. And you enter the desired message in this section. And to send the contents, you can click on these options. In the top section, you can click on this option to enlarge your account menu and make the screen larger, so that in this section you have access to the account. By clicking on Open Account, you will need to register in the Sign Up section. In the Account Overview section, you can view your account information. In the Fund section, you have access to the Deposit and Withdrawal sections, and I will also create a video for you regarding withdrawals. In the Transfer Funds section, you can transfer your account balance between internal accounts. And we will create a new video for you in this regard. In the Payment Details section, you can select and enter your payment method. In the Trading Tools section, we enter the WebTrader area where we have access to the MetaTrader 4 and MetaTrader 5 platforms. We will create a comprehensive video about the platform for you. In the Transaction Report section, you have access to your transaction history, where you can select settings from the type and also the transaction name, server type, and account type related to your trading account. In this section, you can view your summary, and to export the information, click on Export CSV. The server type and the account type are related to a trading account. In this section, you can view your summary, and to export the information, click on Export CSV. What is the date? You have access to in the Awards Report section. your orders, in this section, you can select the desired time and date and click on this option to reset. And to enable this option, click on Export CSV. And for the complete order history, click on this option. And after activity on the website, this section will be displayed to you. And also in this section, you will see information such as close orders or open orders and pending orders. And in the leverage change report section, you can view the last date your account's leverage changed. In the Upload Documents section, you will see the status of your additional verification, which we will prepare for you with a video regarding the verification guide. And also in the Further Documents section, you can send additional documents by clicking on this section or this section. In the Trading Platform section, you can select your desired platform and operating system. And by clicking on this option, you can download it. In the Become an IB section, by entering your personal information. And to set the website rules, you can simply click on the button labeled Continue and request IB. And also on the left side of the page, you have access to open a demo account, open a live account, and deposit funds. Friends, this was the tutorial on how to work with the broker OQT. Good luck!